Hello, friends and family. Carlos Vides, and I hope you're having a great summer. But today's conversation is the pandemic. Have you stopped and think about it? What will happen to you if you get COVID? What if you don't fully recover? A lot of questions. I'm going to have Heather take us through a little bit. Heather, what do you think?
Well, COVID is very scary. I mean, I don't think any of us knew what to expect whenever, we went under lockdown and they started telling us to do things like wear masks and wear gloves and take precautions. I personally never thought I would have to enter a Walmart with a mask on. Now we're at a situation where our children are going to be transitioning back to school. Many of them, I think, are going to be participating in in-person school and sports and other activities, which I think is great. But I think that also could potentially increase exposure. Now, Carlos, I think you'll agree, a very good friend of Carlos and I's was diagnosed with COVID. Now, luckily, his symptoms are not severe or life-threatening, but it still really hits home on thinking, are our clients fully protected in case they were ever too sick or too hurt to work?
Yeah, and that is actually something to think about it. What if, let's just look at it for a second. Father of two, like myself. I got to go to work every day, house payment, car payments, and everything else that goes on in life. Get COVID. You don't recover fully. You can't go back to work. How will you be able to continue providing for your family? Is there anything we can offer?
Yes, it's actually fairly simple. So we can offer a Paycheck protection plan.
Fantastic.
And the Paycheck protection plan will kick in if you're ever too sick or too hurt to return to work, and it will start paying your bills or paying you a monthly income that would replace any lost wages until you recover or until you're 65 and you're of retirement age.
That sounds like a great plan. But now remember this, you have to do this right now while you're healthy. Do not wait for you to get sick. You have to do it while you're healthy. That way you get the best ratings and you also get approved from insurance companies. Another thing to make sure to take in consideration is, what if a family member passes away?
And that's, I think, where it's really important that you do an evaluation and make sure you're properly insured for life insurance. Life insurance isn't a fun topic, right, Carlos?
No, I didn't want to touch the subject, but I promise you this, I'm worried, I'm concerned when I see young families working every day, mom and dad working, house payment, car payments, and daycare payments, school payments, college payments, everything goes on in life. The last thing we stop and think about is the needs for protection, if in case one of us is not in a family.
That's right. And Carlos, keep in mind, many people think they don't have it because it's expensive. And the reality is, it's not expensive to cover that risk.
Not at all. Not at all. It's the easiest thing to do.
It's very easy.
All you have to do is give us a chance to meet with you. We'll sit down. We'll do an evaluation. We'll be very honest to you and tell you exactly what you should have and you should not have. And then we'll walk you through it. Let's meet. Right?
Right.
Okay. Let's see you in the community. Carlos Vides, Heather Renfro. Plenty of experience here to work with you. Let's meet today.